everybody, welcome to Game Striker. Today we will be playing Neon Abyss. Let's get started. Enter the bar. Ooh, party. So what are they free? These are. Sure, might as well. And then piano room, walking around this room. I think I'll keep my stuff for now. There's a little party going on. Ow, my ear just gets 1,000% louder. Okay. Thundering. Yeah, no. Death is the only way out. Bit dark, but okay. Loading. Oh yeah. Lucky gold coin. I will take. Okay, so I know this is kind of like a dungeon. Escape. Oh right, I would have to get the bomb. I know there's a dungeon crawler game, kinda. You could call it that. Combat helmet. Oh, combat. Oh, I guess that's okay. Sure. Okay. E is to throw bombs. Q. Yeah, Q, I think it's. How do you throw bombs? No. Throw. I want to throw. Oh, it's F. Okay. F is to throw. Ooh, okay, so if I pull the sword. Nope. Okay. Oh, ow. Kill. Die. No. Okay. What do you? Oh, you're a little wounded. Okay. Die. Dang it. Horrible. What's this? Ooh, okay. Another bomb. Coin. Okay. Left side complete. Oh. I just wanted to break some boxes. There's always something in the boxes. Okay. It's down in here. Nope, of course. Nope, that did nothing. Okay. No. Little flying monsters. Okay. Did I just stomped on a worm? What do you get? Nothing. Okay. Too short. So if I walk over here, something's gonna spawn. No. That's where everything is. Yeah, I think I'm safe if I just stay on here because they go through it, so I should be safe. I hate that. Oh, I have a little friend. Okay, that's nice. Any more coins? Nope. Except for this one down here. Okay. I'm just gonna stay up here. Oh. There you go. Oh, I can just kind of. I'm good. So what's back here? Some coins. Oh. Ooh. Night vision. Oh, okay. Just bounces. Okay, I guess my max amount of hearts are 30. So 2 entrances down. The X. Oh god, no. This was the worst option to go. No, oh my god. What is this horrible place? Ow. Die. No. I'm fine, thank you. There. Get you little worms. Just get out of the walls. Oh. Are you dead? No? Oh, still down here, of course. Okay, they're gonna use things spawn up here as a reward. Nope. Of course not. All that was for nothing. No, that's not explosive. Okay, nothing. Oh. Oh yeah, those are like the little bullets. Oh, okay. Do I actually have a bullet now? I don't think so. Okay, let's go onward. Die worm. No, do not. This is horrifying. Okay, go down. Key. Thank you very much. If I go through here, things are gonna spawn. Or not. This is my lucky day. Where is this? I mean, sure. Oh. Like a new gun. Oh, I can store hearts. Okay, so shadow, tiny letters, and stay. A little slower. I'll try it. Ooh, gem. Yes, please. Oh, so I can store hearts. That's great. I already said that, but I don't like those. But they did give me a key. Okay, no. How the what? Okay. Do some parkour. Oh yeah. Ow. 2 crystals? I got 2 crystals. Yep, thank you. And I got 0.5 more hearts. That I actually can I like no I can't. I'm not sure if you guys can see what I'm trying to do, but it's in the way. Okay. Where am I? I've already been down there. Now there's a map, but there's something blocking it. So I haven't been down here, right? Yeah. I don't think I'm ever gonna go up. No. Sleep, sure. What's over here? guess I've already been here? Yeah, I've already been here. I'm so confused. Oh wait, I see it on the map. I haven't been up there. There it is, okay. Guess that was useless. Up here. There we go. No. What? Sure, I mean, I didn't die with the gun, so sure. Weird happened, though. My, what do we have up there? But first, it's another one of... Ow! I did get this. How do I activate that? So it's active. So it costs 1 gem. And how do I use it? Guess it doesn't matter. Can I like? I can. I was wondering what that was. Oh, thank you. If only I had a gem storage. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. And then I realized if there's something down here. Do I have to? Oh no. That's a lot of eggs. Egg room. One here. Oh. I guess this is the boss room. Oh, I need a key. Oh god, it's a spinner toy. I knew you would be bad. Die. Oh, yep, I tried timing that. Enter. Oh, I hated that. Step on worms on the ground. You will always get a coin. Oh, if I get a coin. Okay, never mind. It's worth it. It's worth it. I get a coin. There we go. I can move it down up there. Boom. Okay, I can see the map now. I won't have any more problems. Why am I going up? You guys are probably getting mad at me for not realizing where I was. There you go. Okay. There you go. Oh. Too many gems. What's this? Oh no. Completely fine. Yep, I knew it. Don't like the aiming gun. Hatching fail. What are you? Ew, no. I'm good. Let's go in. Nope, okay. The room of boxes. Okay. There's gotta be a reason. No, guess there's not. got nothing. Excuse me? Okay. Okay, before I do that, how do I activate my lunchbox? So it's called Heart Lunchbox. Active. Okay. Oh. How do you have HP? Sure. Now, how do I... Got it. But how do I activate you? Is there like a... Clicking all the buttons right now to test. Nope. Oh. Just right click? I accidentally clicked right click. Okay, sure. At least I know how to use it. Malcolm Natty. Oh, God. No. You guys are like cyborgs of the other thing. Ow, 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 ow. And something. Ooh, my. Oh. My. At least the badge looks cool. Looks so up here, then down. I need like gold and animals. No, good. Oh God. No, not another worm. 2 more worms. I hate the worms. But guys, you just... Oh my goodness. Like, the aiming thing is great and all, but Okay. You guys can get attacked. How can you guys get attacked? Oh wait. Oh, that's bad. No. It's not hiding anything. What in the... No. How do I get in here? Oh, there's a coin too. Ow! Oh, wait. Is this my thing? They can explode anything. I don't need those anymore. Oh, yeah. But that doesn't help anything. Were there boxes here? Did I just break the boxes? There weren't any boxes. I thought there were boxes there. Cyborg, which I just said everyone else is turning to, or spicy candy. I mean, much as I don't want to. Cyborg sounds. Being a cyborg sounds fun. So I lose a heart, but I get another quote-unquote heart. But what? What's the point of that? The only thing that really changed. I just got. So now I have less of a. I mean, I got a heart storage. It's fine. What? Oh no. Excuse me. Will this ever work? Oh yeah. No! I could have gotten so many good things. No! Oh, I wasted it. If only I could get coin from here. I cannot. That's way too high. Dang it. I think there are boxes there. I think it just kind of broke it. Dang it. Okay. Go down, up, out. Why did I say out? Nothing happened. Down, up. Okay. I'll take this. Back to the beginning. Oh no. I just have to spam. Okay, yep, Jack, just do your thing, please. Oh, I forgot that my bullets constantly explode. But the good part of that is that they're much more deadly. The boss, I should kill the boss in like 5 seconds. Okay. Probably stepped on a worm for that coin. Oh, I'm just... Why am I doing that? I get nothing. Oh! Thank you. Yep. That's basically just free. Oh, I know where some crystals are. Gotta go back. I'm not... Wait, I don't even have any coins to buy anything. I mean, this gun kind of sucks, so. Okay. Go back up here, through here. I keep on thinking there's gonna be like a higher thing, and then I do that for nothing. There's nothing there. Okay. Thank you. Go all the way back. Up, and up away. Ah, no. Keep on walking. Okay. Open sesame. I can buy nothing. I can't do little. Just how much I hate this store. I fire triple shots. Better watch out. Okay, just spam attack, spam attack. No! And I got popcorn with the gun, with the where's it? With that, or that, one of the two. Dang it! Don't talk to me. Okay, do I have anything? Is there a difference between? Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna save it. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave a like button, and if you really like this video, then hit the subscribe button. Also check out someone I know, Alexandria Vaughn. I will link them in the description. And goodbye. I really had a gun. It could explode. It was an exploding gun. It fired triple shots. Gotta be kidding me.